Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, my lips are so dry. Hold on, let me put some Vaseline on them. So today is June 9th. It's a Saturday and I've decided to film a get ready with me / vlog video. I have quite a bit to do today. I have a birthday brunch to go to in about an hour, and then we have the first colors appointment for the house. So this is the appointment where you get to choose all of the colors, countertops, and tiles, whatever you want your house to actually look like. So I'm super excited about that. I just couldn't even sleep. I got up so early, I showered. I haven't eaten yet because obviously I'm going to brunch and I'm saving the space in my stomach. But I'm really excited. So I feel good, you feel good, you want to look good. Alright, so I'm going to do my makeup right now. I am going to keep it pretty simple. It is hot. I don't want to pack on a lot of makeup on my skin and just have it all melt off. I have these two foundations by Avon. They look like that. They have SPF 50 in them, so it's good for the summertime. I am just getting started into wearing sunscreen, to be honest. I'm getting wiser, older and wiser, and I'm also getting a few sunspots on my skin, so you know, it's God letting me know that I need to do better. I apply right on a brush, like that. That's enough. And you know what? My skin is quite dry, so I'm going to moisturize just a little bit before I continue. I'm all over the place in this video, but I promise you one day I will get my life together. Also, if you haven't noticed, my eyebrows look all kind of crazy. I got powder brows and they haven't healed yet. I only got it done about a week ago. Today is literally a week. And it's in full-blown healing process, so it's peeling. It's very crusty and I can't wait for it to be done, to be healed, so I can see what they really look like, because right now I can't tell if it's even good or bad, if it worked, if it didn't work. So I'm quite nervous about that. What can I do? And of course, as soon as my eyebrows look like that, that's when I have a whole bunch of places to go. So now we can continue on with my makeup. You can actually get quite a bit of coverage with this. I find that it's quite buildable, but for the purpose of what I'm doing today, I don't want to put a lot of makeup, so I just keep it super light and keep building onto it as needed. So now I'm moving on to the lighter color, the medium color I should say. I keep saying light, but it's medium. And I'm using this right underneath my eyes, definitely on this nasty pimple. Oh, also on my chin. I am going to powder my face while I'm at it. The good thing with having my eyebrows like that though is that I don't have to do anything to them. I can get away with shaving like 15 minutes off doing my makeup. It's crazy how much time we spend doing our eyebrows. And if you add this up, like over the span of your lifetime, you spend a lot of time doing your eyebrows. It's ridiculous. So far so good. Let's move on to eyes. I am wearing this beautiful salmon color top, so I think I may want to do something similar on my eyes. This top, you guys, was $10, baby. I have a really nice color in this palette that I may use. The hardest part about having my eyebrows like that though is when I do wear makeup. I'm not supposed to wet them. I'm not supposed to put water on them at all. So I haven't been doing that, but when I do wear makeup, I like to really scrub my skin at the end of the day. So it's really hard for me to do that without wetting my brows, you know? Alright, and then I'm going in the darker brown. And I'm still using the same brush, to be honest. Sometimes you just can't really be bothered with a million different brushes, and especially if I'm just doing a light, quick makeup look, I like to get away with just using one brush. I think it's good. Moving on to eyeliner right now, mascara, highlight, and my lips. Alright, so for my hair, I'm basically taking the easy, lazy way out. Just moisturizing my hair with my dandy shea butter that I always use, and spritzing it with this oil. If you want to see a detailed hair routine, I will link a video down below, but basically I'm just trying to look decent for the day. look. I'm still undecided about the shoes. I'm thinking either these shoes, but that may be a little bit too much for what I have to do today, or these ones. And I actually just bought these ones, so I think I'm gonna go with these instead. So for the house, we were thinking of having a color scheme that includes grays, whites, and natural maple. So for the floor, we had these two options there, the maple color as well as the light brown. We ended up going with the maple. For the countertops, this is one that we fell in love with. So it has a slight little veinings, not quite marble, but fairly white. So I love that one. Fell in love with this backsplash, but it was so expensive between you and I, so we did not go with that. If you want to imagine a color scheme for the house, you can see it right here with the white countertops and the gray cabinets. So that's a little sneak peek that I'm giving you guys. Then I had a blast taking pictures for the gram, and that was my day. Thank you for allowing me to share, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.